Hello. Very good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, actually, you're audible.
It's clear, right? Or any echo is coming? Your voice is clear.
I think your voice is clear. You can continue.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So you guys can off your video. Whoever is on, switch on your videos. You can switch off your videos. I'm muting everyone. Okay. So I will take questions at the end. Okay. Everyone has started your videos. You need to close your video. Right? Switch off your video. Switch off. Okay. Great. Okay. So in today's session, let me share my screen. Able to see my screen, Pantesh?
Yes, actually, we can see.
Okay. So in today's session, what I'm going to tell is, right? So today I will set an expectations. Okay, what you guys can expect from our sessions. Okay, upcoming level 1, level 2, right? What is our plan and what we want you to prepare. Okay, how this course will work and what we expect from you guys. Okay, that too I'm going to tell now, right? In your mind, after the session, you will be clear. Okay, what you guys need to do. Okay, so first of all, I will start with who this course is for, right? Who can do this course? Who this course is for? Okay, this is for freshers, right? Any graduates can do this course, right? Degree is mandatory. Okay, diploma holders also can do, but they can try as end users. But consultant, many places they are asking degree. Any degree is fine. Okay, so just passed out 2021, 2020, right? Any freshers can do. Freshers also can get a job, but openings are less. That you need to keep in mind. Experienced people can also do the course, right? Experience means any field, whichever field you work, right? In design or any experienced people you have gap, in your career, right? You also can do the course. Okay, and of course, SAP consultant can do the course. Why? Because it's a S4 HANA, right? If you already worked in ECC, right? You want to update to the MM module, right? You're already working different module. You guys can also do, take this course, right? And end users. End users means in any field end users. If you are working in SAP or any other ERP tool, right? You guys also can do this course. Okay, who can learn the SAP? Anybody can learn SAP. Why? Because here no Java is not there, right? It's a functional model, right? So no need to learn any coding, right? So easy. So only thing you need to do is all you need to is some common sense we want from you and willingness to learn. That is what we want. Okay, so that easily you can grab that topic. So next thing is how this course we are going to teach you. Okay. So I'm going to take one common example. Okay, so and then we'll proceed. Let's take Starbucks. Everyone knows, right? Starbucks is a coffee company, or you can take the CCD, right? Your cafe coffee day. Right? Can't hear. Am I audible, guys?
Yes, actually, you're clear.
Yeah, Satish Patil. So you need to check your audio. Okay. Someone is opened videos. You can close your videos, or else it will come. It will disturb others. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to tell is here. So I will take on a company example. Starbucks, right? Coffee company. Okay. Or Cafe Coffee Day, CCD, right? It's a big company. Okay. 1,000+ stores are there. Okay. Throughout the world, right? In India also many stores are there. Okay. So it's a big enterprise structure, right? So whichever company take means different org elements will come in detail. We'll see as class proceeds. Okay. Multiple stores they have in different locations. Okay, it's a procurement also will happen in large only. Okay, large procurement. Procurement means buying something. Okay, raw materials, anything you want to buy for that company. So procurement we will call. Here some freshers also there. I will go from scratch only. Okay, the classes will go from scratch to advanced. Okay, so you guys already know these all steps, right? Please bear with someone and don't ask questions of ahead topics. Okay, so whatever topics is coming, so that other people will get confused. Okay, so I will go step by step. Okay, so now let's say if you guys want to start your own coffee shop, right? Small coffee shop you want to start, Okay, so one shop, you are the owner. Okay, so what will happen here? So you only need to procure something, right? So for coffee shop, what you want, right? Some coffee beans, sugar, or flowers, anything you want to buy, you only need to buy from vendors. Okay, procure or buy coffee beans, and then you need to store in your inventory. Okay, we don't have large, factories and all to store, right? Your own inventory in your coffee shop only will store. You need to manage HR, right? HR means you have some, 5 to 10 employees, means you need to do the plannings and all alone you will do, right? Since you have opened the shop, right? Here, if you see in down case, the scope is less. Here in Starbucks, scope is more. Okay, but in this class, you will learn this, second one. So if you start your own company, how the business scenarios will be, right? If you consider both the scenarios of both the cases, business remains the same. Yeah, here also we are going to sell coffee. These people are also going to sell the coffee. Right, business remains same, but here less scope. But we will study all the business, scenarios. Okay, all the business scenarios we will learn. Okay, so if this is clear, right, then we will move. Okay, so prospect I will give you, right? What prospect I want you to be. Okay, you need to take while learning SAP. Okay, before learning SAP, what you guys keep in your mind. Okay, so that I will tell you now. Okay,
Akshay, 1 second. Can you clear your mic? Sometimes your voice is breaking.
voice is breaking or echo is coming?
Breaking.
Voice is not clear. It's breaking.
Not continuously, but sometime.
Just a second, guys. Hello. Hello. Mic checking. Yeah, Venkatesh, is this fine now?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay. Please tell me again. Okay, so if any, again it's breaking. Shall I continue from here, or you want me to explain again back here?
Continue from the second point. If you want to start a new coffee shop from there.
Okay. Okay, so I'll quickly explain again. So if my voice is breaking, okay, so there are just two prospects I have explained. Okay, if you are owning your own Starbucks company, right? Starbucks or coffee day, right? It's a big organization. Okay, 1,000+ stores it has, and its big procurement will happen. Now another case, you want to open your own coffee shop. Okay, your own coffee shop, one coffee shop you want to open. You are the owner. You need to procure, you need to store, you need to do your HR, you need to do the planning. Everything you only need to do. Right? So if you consider as both the cases, right, business remains the same for both the cases. Here you can see smaller scope is there, here large scope. Okay, in coming classes, right, we are going to explain this thing only, right? We will take one shop example and how this process will work in SAP in detail you will learn. Okay, all the business scenarios you are going to learn through this. Okay, so if this is clear, now I will tell you the what prospect, right, you need to take while learning SAP. Okay, two ways business transactions will take place. Okay, any business if you take, two ways we can classify. One is B2C and one is B2B. B2C means business to customer, right? B2B means business to business. Okay, business to customer means what? Let's say if you are going to supermarket or you are ordering something in Amazon, right? You will go there. Let's take the same example. If you want coffee, you will go there. You will take coffee beans, coffee powder, anything, right? You will pay it to vendor, right? And then you will take everything to your home, right? This is business to customer. Simple example, right? You are ordering something in Amazon or Flipkart, right? It will you'll pay before only, and all the materials will come to your home only, right? Business to customer. Another case is business to business. Business to business, what will happen? Let's say, as I took example, if you are owning your own coffee shop, okay. So let's say, if you have a big coffee shop, right, you need to maintain everything in inventory. Right? You have a factory, right? Beside your shop, you have your own factory for that, right? You need to keep an inventory, right? If you are ordering something, here how the procurement will happen, right? So you have an inventory manager here, right? Then you have factory manager and then general manager, right? If any, require of coffee beans is over, right? Stock is over. How, they first inventory manager, these people will get to know, and then he will, factory people will get to know, and then general manager will get to know, and these people will send a purchase order to vendor, right? This is a complex process, B2B. I will take a pen. I will explain in detail now what is B2B and B2C, so that will be clear. B2C, B2B. Okay, you're able to see my screen, Venkatesh? It's fine.
Yes, Akshay, we can. We cannot see what you're writing.
Okay, one second.
You have to cancel your screen sharing and share complete desktop.
Yeah, now you're able to see?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Okay, so B2B, B2C and B2B. Okay, business to customer. So business to customer means what? As I told, you are ordering something from Amazon, right? Or you are going to supermarket, right? You will take the coffee, right? You will pay it to vendor, right? Same coffee shop, and you will go to home, right? Simple process, right? Here in B2B, what will happen? Let's say you have a coffee shop, business to business, what will happen? You have a coffee shop here. Okay, so you have a manufacturing factory here to store everything, or have plant here, right, to store, right? So as I told here, your store manager will be there. Okay, so if these people want something they want to procure, for coffee beans, sugar, everything they want to procure, so they need to create a purchase order to vendor, right? They will create a purchase order to vendor. Vendor will send the materials, right? Vendor will send the invoice. We need to pay it to vendor, right? These are all complex process, right? What will happen with example? If I want to explain, means here, let's say, right, these people want to buy some 1,000 kgs of coffee beans. Okay, B2B from let's say CCD, Cafe Coffee Day people, big organization, right? These people want to buy, they want to procure something, right? They want to procure coffee beans, 1,000 kgs of coffee beans. They want to buy, right? How they will buy, right? They need to create a purchase order, right? They need to do vendor screening, right? And vendor selection they need to do, budget approval, right? They need to do the budget approval, then place order, right? Some people need to approve and then they will place the order, right? Once we place the order to vendor, we need to receive the goods, right? And then we will do the quality check, right? For all coffee beans are correct or not, we need to check, right? And then we need to keep it in stores, right? And then from stores, right? From stores, we need to issue it to different departments, right? Whichever team they want, right? We need to issue to the issue coffee beans, right, to customer or to internal people, right? So we need to issue and then pay to vendor. Then we need to make the payment to vendor. Last process, right? Here, what we'll do in B2C, here we'll make payment before only, right? So here at last, we need to make the payment, right? This is a complex process, right? B2B. Okay. So here, so what point I'm going to make here, right? Why I'm explaining this one? One second. Okay. So what point I'm going to make here, right? B2B or B2C. So if you want to learn SAP, if you want to learn SAP, you need to think from B2B. SAP is built for B2B prospects, business to business, right? So to this concept, this prospect you need to keep in mind. Okay. So that's why I explained these all things, right? SAP is B2B. B2C also SAP will do from some cases. How that will work, you will learn in coming classes, right? What I want you to keep in mind is SAP is a B2B business, right? Business to business. If this is clear, basic explanation. If this is clear, you can mention your in chat box all clear, AC. I want everyone to type so that you will be aware. AC, 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 everyone. Okay, cool. So once this is clear, okay, now quickly, I know some people are freshers, right? I will explain this basic, purchasing cycle. Quickly, I will explain purchasing cycle and then I will move forward, right? How the purchasing cycle will happen so that you are going to aware what we are going to study. Right? Again, I will take time here. Okay, how the purchasing cycle will happen? Let's say we have our coffee shop. Okay, beside that only we have our factory. Right. So here what we'll do, we'll store goods. Right. So what I want, what are the raw materials I want? I want different color. What I want? I want coffee beans. I want sugar. Right. Any other things, whatever required for to make the coffee, milk. Right. These all things I want. Okay. So to get all these things, I need to approach some vendor, right? Right. I need to, let's say I will take vendor ABC. Right. He is our vendor. Right. So to do, ask now we need to, let's say, you are only, like I took example, right? You have opened your own shop. I'm not taking example of big companies. You have opened your own shop. So you will call to this vendor. Directly you will make a call. Right. And you will order, these things I want, these all things I want, you will make a order. Right. So let's say I will take example. Coffee beans you want 20 kg. Sugar you want 50 kg. These two things, you have ordered manually. Okay, you have called him and you have ordered, right? Because you are a small institute, right? You are a small company. Okay, so you have ordered it. So what he will do, right? He will take some, 5 to 6 days. He will take, to send you the materials. So and then he will deliver the materials to your factory, right? He will deliver it. Okay. right? He will make the delivery and then we need to make the payment, right? So how we'll do? Once delivery to factory, and then what we'll do, we will take our own time. We will take 5 to 10 days we will take, and then we will make the payment to vendor, right? We'll make the payment. So while sending delivery now, what vendor will send us an invoice, right? What invoice contains, let's say, one bill number 1 2 3 4, right? Sugar 50 kg, right? Amount is, let's say, 500 rupees, and coffee beans 20 kg 200 rupees, right? Some 700 rupees happen, right? Plus 18% tax, right? Some amount will come. This amount we need to pay, right? Not immediately. You can take your time and you can pay, right? So you are owning your own company means this you can manage, right? So this is 1 month. Let's say in 1 month you are doing like this. Okay. Suppose in coming 6 months, what will happen? Once again. Let's say here only I will explain. Okay. In 6 months, let's say, this process you are going, right? Weekly wise, you will order something, right? Everything we need to note down, no? Weekly, how much your expenses are, right? Here, steps are what? Let's say clearly, right? Step 1 is what? Purchase order, right? We have ordered through call, right? That is a purchase order. Step 2 is what? Goods receipt, right? Vendor delivers the material, right? Step 3 is what? Invoice receipt, right? Step 4 is what? Payment, right? This is this is the basic life cycle of purchasing. This is what basic life cycle. And if you are owning your own small company, okay. So as I'm telling, so like this you have ordered, right? So weekly wise, week 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Weekly you are ordering something. You need to make it document, right? Everything, right? I will delete it. All these things week wise you need to document everything, right? So after 6 months, what is the scenario? Right. So all these things you are keeping it in your books. Okay. You have a book where we'll maintain, how much we have spent, right? What are the report, everything, you need to, everything you are maintaining in books only, right? So total spent in 6 months, total spent you want, right? Total stock in hand, how much coffee bean left with us, right? Total amount paid to vendor, right? So this is a small company. Everything you will do your own, right? You will document it, right? If it is a centralized, if your business is centralized business, okay, so you have store 1, you have store 1 in Bangalore, store 2 in Hyderabad, store 3 in Delhi. Okay, so here what we'll do, how we will procure all these things, right? Multiple things you have now. So all these things, right? You are entering your stock. How you will maintain your stock? Here, let's say your 100 quantity left, 200 quantity left, 500 quantity left, right? All these things will maintain in one server, centralized server, so that any owner or any person can check from here itself, right? All the data these people will maintain here, these people will maintain in their laptop here, they will maintain, right? All these things will stored in centralized server. Okay, this server what we will call SAP. Okay, for big companies, as I told, CCD, Starbucks, everything are using SAP. Why? Because they have multiple businesses all over world, all over India, or whichever businesses you take. right? All these things, how we can manage from a centralized server, right? This is what we'll call SAP. Clear here, up to here, basic understanding? You can mention in chat box. Okay. Okay, cool. So if this is clear, no? So then we'll proceed further. Okay. Different SAP projects we'll take in next session in detail. We will learn. Okay. Another next Saturday we'll plan for different projects. Only we'll explain our life cycle of SAP in detail. We'll explain. Before that, it's just you guys need to understand. It's just a tool. Okay. You need to understand the basic business processes. You need to understand. Just practice the tool. Nothing will happen, right? You can easily crack your interview. Okay. So what we want from you then, right? So you guys need to attend the classes regularly. Okay. Take your own notes. Don't miss any class. If you miss, also we'll get the recording. Watch recording. Clear your doubts in day sessions. Right. Monday to Friday we have our discussion session night 8 to 9:30. Okay. Attend there. Right. Clear your doubts. Okay, take your own notes. We will also give notes, and I want everyone to make your own notes. Right, watch video, pause it, make your own notes. Refer, some Google. If you many things are there in Google. Okay, don't refer each and everything. You can refer the books. SAP Press books I will give. Okay, some nice videos are there in YouTube that you can watch if you are not clear with any terminology or any concept. Okay, you need to ask a lot of questions. Okay, each and every topic, once it's fully clear, then move to next topic. Okay, if you are preparing, if you are attending, you will get to know before only what is next class, right? If you prepare and come, right, so that you can ask questions again. Okay, so follow the instructor, right? I am with the trainer, and Venkatesh will be there, Gaurav will be there, right? Prabhu will be there, right? Many trainers we have, right? Follow whatever we are going to tell. Okay, prepare. I want everyone to prepare your LinkedIn profile now. Okay, today only you need to prepare your LinkedIn. If anybody don't have your LinkedIn profile, you need to make your LinkedIn profile. You want to become SAP consultant, make with SAP consultant profile. You want to become end user, make like that. Okay, you need to identify your connect, audience, and you need to build your connections. Okay, who are your audience to get a job? Different companies. Okay, all SAP consultants, you need to send a connections, so that multiple things you will get to know and your visibility will increase. Okay, LinkedIn is a new thing to get a job. Okay, nowadays many connections or whatever corporate trainings we will do, right? Many whatever multiple jobs I have switched, all from LinkedIn only. Okay, so you need to get visible in LinkedIn. Okay, I want everyone to practice daily 1 to 2 hours daily. Okay, whatever you are telling, you will get the server access from next weekend. Next weekend onwards, we will get. Okay, next Monday. Okay, 2021 versions we will give. What is this 2021 version? SAP related terminologies, everything you will understand. Okay, if this is clear, I will move next. I will share my screen. Our course syllabus, right? So here, course syllabus is there. Detailedly, everything we will cover, right? What is ERP, B2B, B2C, B2B? You just now you have learned, right? Business to business, like that. Many, apart from SAP, many other softwares are there in market, right? Oracle, NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics. Okay. These are related to how the servers will work, right? What are the SAP versions, license, everything you will learn. Okay, in coming class. B2B cycle, you just know how the purchase cycle will work. Okay. In level 2 training, now we will explain. Once again, I will take one more. Yeah. In level, once your level 1 is over, level 1 you will learn all the technical concept. And here, let me open and show you. This is a level 1. Okay, we learned how to set up your enterprise structure, right, in detail. Your master data. My screen is visible, right?
No, if you're showing some PDF, it is not visible.
PDF it is showing, right?
No, it is not visible. Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay. This is the level 1 question you guys know, right? So enterprise structure in detail we'll learn, and master data, right? To run day-to-day activities, no? These all purchase order, whatever I explained, no? These all things you will learn it in SAP. Okay, purchase order, right? Goods receipt, invoice, right? To do all these things, right? We require a master data in a system, right? So that master data we will learn, right? To build a master data, right? Our company, whatever I took the example, no? Copy, these all company, plant, storage location, everything we need to create it, right? That how to do we will learn. Okay, what is FI consultant work, what is our work, everything you will learn in detail. Okay, and then comes, once you build your system, then comes a different transactions. Okay, all integration, MMFI integration, different types of purchase order, inventory, MRP, right? Different approval processes, right? How that will work, how we are doing it in GUI screen, your SAP Blue screen, and how we'll do it in SAP Fury, right? These all things, how you are sending purchase order to vendor, right? How it will go to vendor, right? So how output we need to set up, right? How IDOC will work, right? That and all you will learn, right? What are the different sourcing methodologies you will learn, consignment, subcontracting, pipeline. These all different types of purchase orders, special procurements you will learn. Stock transfer orders you will learn, STO, right? Stock plan to plan stock transfer, company code to company code, service purchase orders, invoice management, everything you will learn in level 1. Okay, and level 2. Level 2 is a important session. Okay, so here what we will learn in level 2. Level 2, as I told, different projects you will learn, how your greenfield implementation, conversion, right? Hybrid scenarios, everything we'll learn one by one. Level 2. Okay, related to this, now we will have a separate session in next Saturday. Different projects I will explain. Means you need to know before starting enterprise structures and all, what exactly we are going to do now, that you need to know, right? That what you will learn, different projects, and how the SAP life cycle will work. SAP architecture, how it will work, basically we will learn that one. And then implementation team. Okay, so how our business end users are there, your implementation partner, how project team will work, what is your role as a consultant, okay, what end users role, right? How implementation phases will work in detail you will learn, right? Each phase wise in detail topics are there, right? How workshops will conduct, everything you will learn one by one here. And then we'll take some real-time project example, construction business or FMCG, oil and gas. Okay, different just examples we'll take, and accordingly we'll move one by one. Okay, implementation challenges, what we will face, right? This you will learn. These all things only you will ask in interviews. Okay, in level 2. To learn level 2, once you need to know the level 1. And IDOC, as I told, no? So in you are sending purchase order to vendor, or vendor is using, not necessarily he is using SAP system, right? He is using different systems. How your data is going to fetch there, right? Through IDOC, many other ways we have, that you will learn. How to set up a system, you will learn. Your profile building, CV building, right? These all separate team we have. Any freshers here? Anyone who is here for 2020 and 2021 passed out? Mention in chat box, yes. Anyone who is 2020 or 2021 passed out? Okay, for freshers now we have again separate program we have. 2020, those who want to move as a fresher. Just a second. Yeah. 2020, 2021 password for you guys. Now, again, one more trainer is there. We know, right? He is going to conduct every weekend one session. He will take timings and all. Will plan the personality development, your communication skills, right? You want to show some experience and you want comments. You don't have corporate experience means you need to learn all these things, right? Your P2P basic, you need to know. You want to move as end user means, right? You need to know the sourcing, negotiation skills, estimating cost, vendor development, strategic sourcing, import procurement, Incoterms, right? Customer GST, email communication, how it will work in corporate. How basic Excel skills you need to know, Naukri profile setup, your LinkedIn profile setup, resume preparation, right? These all things you will learn. Again, one more person is there. He will conduct that fresher sessions. So, and active in now our group who I will make it So we'll remove the admin only. Okay, so you guys can chat there. Only related to subject you can post there. Okay. Don't know good morning, good afternoon messages. Okay, only subject related discussions need to happen in group. Okay. Now I will open questions. Anything I missed, Venkatesh? Let me introduce Venkatesh. Okay, Venkatesh is our one more trainer. He has 5+ year experience. 3 implementation he has done. Okay, so he is going to take you the classes for level 1. Okay, so level 1, I will also pitch some topics, and he will also be there. Initially, I will be there, and then he will take you, and then level 2 will come. Right, again, many guest lectures also I will plan in level 2. Different industry experts we will call, so that you will get to know everything. Okay, 3.5 months program we have here. I will open questions. 1 second. Yeah, you guys can unmute yourself and ask questions. If you have any doubts, any concerns. One more thing I will show. So you will get classroom access, right? So once your classroom access, it will look like this. Okay. So here you will get all the your assignments, whatever you here you will get, right? Once you go to classwork here, say, if you are using any system, if you go here, right? Once you go here, the classrooms will be there. Okay, Google Classroom. Once you open this one, your classrooms will open. So your batch 6, once you open batch 6. Okay, so if you go here classwork, right here videos are, we will upload videos. So if you want to learn early learning, you can watch this early learning sessions, right? And then whatever new classes, today's class, everything we will upload after each day, right? You will get it here below, okay, with the date. Okay. So assignments, whatever we are doing, you can submit here also. Okay, whenever we will upload videos, you will get a notification to your email. And server related, how to use server, everything we will tell in coming classes. Okay. Still again 2 to 3 introduction sessions will be there in detail from scratch, what is SAP and all, right? Anyone have any questions you can ask now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Saurabh.
Sir, for how many days we are going to get access to those videos that you had uploaded on Classroom? They are unlimited.
Usually 1 year access will give.
Okay.
On request 2 years also I can make. Our basic intention is you guys need to finish it in 1 year and get placed. Okay, in 4 to 6 months.
Okay, sir. So for at least 1 year, that those videos are available on that
yes.
drive.
Yes.
So we can see those videos at
anytime.
At any moment. Thank you, sir.
Here one more, Siddesh is asking, what about the people who came from other fields who don't have touch in SAP? Can those people join person? If you want, now you can also join that classes. Anybody can join the personality development, that fresher program. You can join that also, right? To understand everything. Not necessarily 2020 and 2021 passed out. If you are interested, you can attend that class also. Clear, Siddesh? Okay.
I have one doubt. So
yes.
till the next weekend, we don't have any work to do, especially on the SAP, or we do not need to practice anything as we don't have any access.
That's what. Only to practice, you guys watch that early learning sessions.
Okay.
Early learning session just now I shown. You can watch all the early learning sessions, make the notes. Any doubts you are getting, right, will be there. Okay. Anyway, we will train again that, right? You guys can watch that one.
Okay. After that,
and some people are fully available, right? They're not working, right? You have full day of working. Take old videos from Prabhu. Okay, he will assign you the old batch videos, right? So that you can watch on your own pace and you can finish it early also the course.
Okay. For that, I think we will require some access, server access, right?
Server access we will give now, so you can ask Prabhu.
Okay.
From next server and all will give next when Monday onwards will give, because 2021 version we are planning, so that we need to set up a system for that. new version and this new 2021 version we are building. Okay, that's why it will take time.
Okay.
To do that, you need to prepare some basics. Okay. Balaji asking when we can practice the software from next Monday. Next Sunday we'll take infrastructure. From that onwards you can start working.
Sir, earlier as I contacted to you that I have told that a lot of people are from non-IT sector background. And we didn't get 2 weeks offs per week. We only get 1 week off, that will be on on Sunday. So I was thinking to share that it's better because a lot of people will be.
Okay. No, the classes will be 2 days a week. If you are missing one session, okay, so you will get the recording. Okay, you need to watch the recording and get attend another session. Now Saturday, Sunday evening 4 to 6 will be there because my level 2 is going on. Evening 7 to 9, our level 2 class sessions are there that I'm taking. Okay. I will take one by one questions. Okay. So level 2 session is there in evening. So now initially we'll plan for evening 4 to 6, and then with everyone is okay, we'll go to evening 7 to 9 we'll plan. Right? Evening 7 to 7 to 9 we'll plan after 1 month.
Okay, sir. And since we are freshers, I mean, we don't have any touch in SAP, and we didn't know anything about SAP, but we know what is a little bit about the process or business process, purchase process.
So
what is your suggestion?
Okay. Yeah, no, everyone are freshers only. Okay, many people are freshers, so you will learn everything from scratch. Not required any prior knowledge, as I told. No? Just some common sense and willingness to learn. That we want, you will learn from scratch everything. Earlier, two weekends will be many new things you will learn. No? So that's why you need to familiar with the screens. Don't lose the flow. You are be in the flow so that once after 2 weekends you will get to know everything one by one.
Okay, sir. What is your suggestion for that? We are working in another sector and having currently as experience of 3 to 4 years, and how we should proceed by or fresher or experienced, and how, sir?
Yeah, that I will talk with you one-on-one, how you guys need to proceed if you have experience. Right? You can connect with me after the session. I will tell you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
To take the questions. Sharan is asking this batch. Hold on, Puneet.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the fees for the structure fees? You can ping me. Okay. In the batch, there are 63 people are there. How we get mentors, sir? Is this again going to subdivide? Okay. So once you enter into all 63, not 63. Okay, 45 to 50 people are there who are enrolled. Okay. So once you enter into the WhatsApp groups, there we have mentors. Okay, I will add the mentors. As I told, I will be there, Venkatesh will be there, Prabhu will be there, right? Gaurav will be there. And again, a few consultants I will add, Yesh, RK, Mansal will be there. Okay, many more mentors I will add so that you can stay in touch. So ultimately, whatever errors or doubts you are getting, you need to post it on group, right? So there anyone will connect with you. This is one option. Other option, Monday to Friday, we are available, right, for discussion. Anyone will be available for discussion. At that time, common Zoom meetings will be there like this. You can connect, right? And once your level 2 is over, then one-on-one monitoring will start for your resume preparation, right? Your projects and all. I hope this is clear, Sharon. Next, I am having experience in different domain other than SAP. So after completing SAP certification, you need to get a job and career. As a fresher, you are trying now. If you get a certification, also openings are less. Okay, as a fresher. So you need to try. For that only we'll train here. How you need to try to get a job as a freshers also. I have placed freshers also, right? So I will help you in that. Okay. What is the scope of SAP? we'll learn in coming class. How long course time will take for level 1 and level 2? 3.5 months it will take. Okay, 3.5 you can consider 4 months. Because in detail we will go. Okay. Sir, need information of classes timing earlier. Class timing will be every Saturday, Sunday evening 4 to 6. Next Saturday again evening 4 to 6. Class timing. Okay. Any more questions, guys? Puneet.
Yeah, hi, Akshay.
Yes.
Just wanted to check that during this course, we'll get the training for both the end user side and the consultant side, right?
Correct. Once you learn both front end and back end, now obviously you will learn end user level also.
Yeah.
Right? The people who are working on operations, this P2P,
Right.
purchase orders, these all things are end users, right? But we also need to know to guide them, right? We only need to train the end users. Okay, as a consultant, right? If you get a different projects as a what projects you have once you become a consultant, you will learn in next class.
So we'll do practicals both on the end user server and
yes. End user server means one server only will learn both.
Yeah.
Okay, you have access for both. In real time, end users don't have access for what we are using. Consultant or backend they don't have. But here we will learn in one server only. We will learn both.
Okay.
Okay, you will treat as end user and you will only become consultant and we will make the backend changes.
Sure. Okay.
Hi, Akshay. Isha this side.
Yes, Isha.
Yeah, I have two questions. First of all is that as we discussed that you are having a daily discussions from Monday to Friday with the batches if we are having any doubts, right? So as we discussed, my office timings are a little bit late. So can we hold up in meeting in the morning? And if yes, then are the personal mentors going to take up the doubt or how is it going to be?
Yes. In morning also, if anyone have problem in night, morning also we'll open slot for half an hour.
Okay. And my second question is that you told that when the mentors will be getting allocated, you guys will be trained on everything, your personal doubts and so even the experienced people will be getting trained on the resume building and everything, right?
Correct. One-on-one monitoring will happen once your level 2 is over. We'll understand your business or we'll give clients, right? Everything we'll give a solution. To do that, first you have to finish the level 2. So once you understand all the concepts, everything, then we will connect the dots, everything, and we'll plan your resume.
Okay. So like level 1 is basically the basic things that is going to happen, right? And after that, completing the level 1, we'll be going through that, right?
Yeah, not basic means all configurations, all everything. Basic to advanced also will learn in level 1 only. Level 2 is a pure project ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So as you said that mentors will be getting allocated through our WhatsApp group, and how will this happen actually?
Yeah,
I mean, like personal mentors will be there, right? Some like if I'm assigned to some mentor and somebody else to some mentor, right?
Yeah, all information will be shared in coming classes.
Okay.
How in group only will send the information, right? Basically, all your doubts, will be clear. Okay. Each and every questions will clear so that you can move first.
Also, one thing like you said that the doubts will be cleared in the morning. So I shall particularly ping among the 4 of you that you told that Prabhu, Venkatesh, you and Gaurav. So I need to ping it in personal, right, over WhatsApp, and then we can arrange it. Okay.
Correct. To whom you are going to ping, everything will tell.
Okay.
Morning, evening, all available timings will tell.
Okay.
How we need to book a session, right? To Calendly links we will send so that you can book our sessions. 15 minutes, half an hour sessions. You can book our sessions so that both calendars will be blocked so that we will have a sessions. Okay.
Thank you, Akshay. I had only these myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, Amar.
Sir, I'm 2019 passed out mechanical. So should I start as a fresher or is there any way?
So as fresher also you can start, or as I told, you need to show some experience. 2020, 2021, that also you can start. Right? Both will plan once the course is over.
Sir, what was the fee structure for level 1 and entire
you can
level 1?
After the session. Okay. So today I kept it for open for everyone, so that some people are asking about the fees. Okay, so you can connect me personally.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Sandeep here.
Yes, Sandeep.
Regarding the videos, where should we can collect, sir? Just we've been working for 8 years in the industry, so just we want to speed up that instead of waiting for that. So you said something, right? So recording.
Okay. So you guys are fully available means you
Yes.
need to take my previous batch videos, right? Venkatesh video, my video, Gaurav video, all 3 consultant videos are there. Okay, 3 different approaches you will get. You guys can take the recorded session, watch it to one by one videos you can watch, make the notes, note down the doubts, daily clear it, and next video. Like that, you guys need to proceed. Okay, practice it on the server, next video. Like that, no need to wait for Saturday, Sunday class, you guys can proceed. Okay, you want to finish it early. Okay, your contact person will be Prabhu, right? I think you guys all got Prabhu contact number,
yes,
right? He's a
yes.
technical person. You can connect with him for the same. Okay.
Yeah. Hello, Prabhu. This is Madhu.
Yes, Madhu.
Just to know one thing that as I am also a fresher and I don't have any experience on this SAP tool, what you will suggest? Do we need to go through learn the previous version, that is ECC version, and also HANA? Only HANA is sufficient.
No need to learn ECC. Okay, once you learn S4 HANA, obviously we'll learn ECC also. It will come. For example, right, 3 to 4 years experience you want to show means, right? You can show 2 years in ECC, 2 years in S4 HANA. Right? What is the difference ECC and S4 HANA? We will train. Okay, this was there in ECC and now it got changed in S4 HANA. Like that, the teaching method will be in each topic. 80% it will be same only. Okay, ECC and S4 HANA.
Okay. So
many people are getting confused. What is S4 HANA? What is ECC? You will get to know in coming classes. You can no need to worry. Everything will train step by step. Okay, for freshers.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Madhu.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm Balaj here, sir.
Yes.
Every day of the class session is complete. Once complete, we share in through mail, sir.
No, we will share in the Google Classrooms. You will get a notification to your email automatically.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
How long?
Every day after means today class complete means tomorrow we will upload. We will try to upload today because editing and all, it will go to editing table and then we will upload it to next day.
Okay, sir. If any missing, I can go through in recording, sir.
Correct. If you miss the session, you can go through the recordings.
Okay, sir. Thanks. How long course will going on, sir?
3.5 months it will go.
3.5 months, sir? Till March or before? When
April, May it will go.
April, sir?
Correct. So it's not a quick learning process. No? In 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we will complete SAP MM. It's not like that, right? You to become MM consultant, you need to know in and out of SAP, right? To consult something. So whatever now it is on our throughout week, what we can do, now you are feeling like that because when Saturday, Sunday is over, session, you will day whole week you need to practice the same thing only. Right? Many things will give assignments, right? To work will give same thing can practice in throughout the week. Right? So that's why if you want, you can take the videos and start preparing. Take 1 to 2 weekend ahead so that don't keep any backlogs. So keep be ahead in the from the classes. And we'll give some instructions also once SAP starts. Okay, that all you need to follow so that our system will not miss because many people are using the system, right? If you guys make something, so whatever we have not told you, if you make the changes, right, it will impact all other users also. Okay, to do that, we'll use some instructions, right? If anyone is you can easily identify who has done the changes and all. Okay, your ID will be blocked. Okay, if you are making deleting something which is not financial entries and all, right, general ledger entries, we'll give the list. Okay, we will tell you clearly what to do and what not to do. Okay, so you need to follow all the instructions.
Hi, Akshay, I have a question.
Yes, Akshay.
let's say I want to do a certification after my completion of this course. Will there be any sessions that will throw some lights or stress more on the important questions which we might come across the while while writing the exam?
Yes,
just
there
like
is a separate session for a certification, right? How to prepare for that, right? Certification, what are the questions will come, everything will tell, so that you can crack it in one attempt.
Any mock
will give
mock test will get to face.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mayur Deshmukh is asking when is the next session. Next session will be on next Saturday evening 4 o'clock.
Hello.
Where can I get today's recording? In the classroom. Google Classrooms you guys got, right? Whoever is enrolled, there only will upload to this case. Yes.
Hello. Arvind Desai here.
Yes, Arvind.
Actually, I have a question. Like you said, like the sessions videos, previous completed sessions videos are there. But after seeing that video, is there anything notes you are going to give, like for doing the practice, except then that videos, like to attend for the next
we'll
class?
Assignments. Okay, we'll give some SAP press books. We will give from main SAP. Okay, 2 to 3 books SAP will give, so they can compare SAP books. My suggestion is to prepare your own notes. Okay, many things you can give. Okay, if you want multiple things, books are there. Okay, PDF notes will be there. Internet also will be there. Many things will be there. I want you to prepare your own notes. Okay.
Yeah.
Main thing you want notes related thing in level 2. Level 2 and all the implementation templates, notes, documents, BBD, FS document, everything you will get it in level 2. Level 1 also if you want I will send. Okay.
From Monday, from tomorrow onwards, like up to Saturday, Sunday, before that time, what we have to do? Is there any documents we are going to receive today, end of the day, or tomorrow?
This recording we will upload, and early learning sessions we have uploaded that you can watch.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Venkatesh, anything you want to add? If I missed anything?
Nothing, actually. Yeah, you covered everything.
Akshay, one thing. Prabhu here.
Someone is talking. Anyone has any more questions, guys? Karthik. Okay, so if you don't have any question, your voice is not audible, Karthik.
Karthik, increase your mic's volume and speak once.
All sessions now it will be through mind maps. We'll explain. We'll write and explain. Right? There will be no PPT presentations. Okay, not to worry. Okay, everything will connect and we'll explain in detail. So that we will connect everything. If we show PPTs and all, we will not connect. Right?
Akshay, Mahalakshmi here. You're able to hear me?
Yes.
I have one question. So after 3.5 months of the course, will you give the server access for the practice, or should we need to purchase, or like for months?
No, you need to purchase. Once the server access will be for 4 months. Earlier it was 3 months. Now for this batch I have extended to 1 more month. 4 months we will give the server for practice. Okay. After the sessions, if you want, you can extend the server. I want everyone to finish, before getting completion of course only we will get placed most of the people, right? So we will try to finish everything within 4 months only. If you want, you can extend also, right after 4 months.
Okay, so for that separate charges are there, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine, sir. Fine, thank you.
So it will count, Prasad. So you have worked in SAP company, na? So wherever you guys are working now, right, all your experience will count. Okay, no need to worry. That only you can show and switch. Right, that we'll plan in level 2. Karthik, when you have shared screen, you will get the recording. Okay, you can check there. This recording will get whoever is lately joined. Right, you guys can get the recording.
Hi, Akshay, Isha this side again. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Isha.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask one thing that as I am an experienced person, so I just wanted to ask that if despite of like I will definitely try to switch on the experience base, but if in despite I want to do the global certification, so am I eligible to do that? I mean, like with your
Everyone
trainings?
can do.
Okay.
Yeah. Everyone can do the certification. It's not only for freshers. Experienced people also can go. You can put an aim to get a certification at the end of the course. This is your goal should be. Okay. Because if you get a certification, it's added advantage to your resume.
Okay.
Right? Because many on-site projects and all the people will take those who have certifications.
Okay, and in the for that certification thing, are there separate sessions, or in this session only we will get the things clear out?
During the sessions, we will tell, okay, this is a certification question we have received, like that and all. Wherever is there, we tell that one. After once you learned your level 1, level 2 concepts, you can do now also, right? Before in 1 week you can practice and you can clear the exam. But you need to understand what is behind the logic behind that question, right? That's why you need to take the training. After the training is over, then within 1 week you can practice and you can give your certification exam. I will give the questions what it will come.
Okay, so during this training program, only level 1 and level 2, basically everything will be getting cleared, and after that we can practice and give examination in 1 week, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay. Thank you so much.
How to book an exam, right? These all things also we will tell.
Okay.
Certification is not mandatory. This certification is must, someone is asking. It's not a mandatory thing, but if you have it, it's added advantage. Will be globally certified. No? That is advantage. If I am giving certificate, right? Any institute is giving certificate, no one will ask that one. Okay. If you have global certification, then it's value added in your resume. If you are showing some experience, that is not required. Okay, initially, if you have that extra money, you can buy that. Okay, you can book an exam. 20,000 rupees will be there to book an exam for global certification. 1 year access you will get. 1 attempt you will get to pass that exam. How to pass it in 1 attempt also we'll train this course on. Okay, any small questions you can ask. Okay, don't hesitate to ask the questions. Okay,
Akshay,
during the session and after the session. Yes, Isha.
Yeah, did you say that the certification is for how much? 20,000 for a form or for booking
to book the exam?
Book the exam. Okay, and for it's a total cost or
total cost 17,000 something is there. With GST it will come 20,000 something or 21,000 will come.
Okay. It will be the global certification, right?
Correct.
Okay.
It's a global certification. Once you've done the global certification, you guys will get the yes user ID. Using that, multiple advantages you can get. Right? You can get a main SAP access. There are multiple templates you can get. All what and all access you will get. Everything you will learn in level 2. Okay.
Okay.
And also you can use using S user ID.
Okay.
Balaji is asking until within 3 months also, if you want, you can try. Okay, as an end user, if you want, you can try. Depend upon you. Okay, if you already done course, right? You want to update. We'll watch before videos, right? You want to prepare. Right in middle also, so I'm ready with this one. I want to start my resume building. You can inform me. We'll process the same way. We can work on your resumes and all. We'll work it. Okay.
Hi, this is Siddesh.
This you can increase your volume.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
For the global certification, if for how many years it will be validity?
Lifetime.
Lifetime.
Once you've done the course, na,
Okay.
lifetime validity will be there. To write an exam, once you book the exam, na, that 1 year access you will get. In 1 year, you need to book exam and you need to clear it.
Okay.
Whenever you book, whichever time, whichever date you can book an exam, you can clear.
Okay. And one more question. After completing this course, as a functional consultant, can we upgrade to technical consultant like learning ABAP something?
You can do. Then you become techno-functional consultant.
Yeah.
If you have a coding knowledge, you want to learn coding, right? Again, you need to spend some 6 months.
Okay.
To become a full perfect in ABAP. So you can go for ABAP also. My suggestion is work as a consultant, as an consultant first. Right? Once you become a consultant and then update to your interested modules.
Okay.
EWM, sales, finance, right? Technical side, Fury consultant. Multiple ways are there. Right? Someone asked here SAP is syncing or not. No. Multiple technologies are included in this. That's why S4 HANA they have built. Okay. Apple has built a M1 chip, right? They have their own software. They have built M1, right? Server to store everything, right? They built their own M1 chip, right? Same way SAP has built their own database. That is S4 HANA database. Why they built? Because of the new innovations we can include. All the new innovations are there. No? So everything we learn in coming class. That to do support that only they have built that one. Okay. So every new technology you can update in SAP in future.
Okay.
Okay. So, Lalit, do you want to ask something?
No. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, still you have any doubts now, you can call me, you can message me. Okay, you can message Venkatesh, right? You can save Venkatesh number also. Venkatesh, you can give your number on a chat box. Right? Venkatesh is a trainer. Okay, so you can save his number as a trainer. You already have Prabhu number with you, right? He's a technical person. A support person, and you can say Venkatesh number is also a trainer. Any doubts you can ask him also, right? You need to mention your batch name. Your batch is batch 6. Okay. Right. Before directly calling to any trainer and all, you need to message and take permission, then call. Any instructions I missed, Venkatesh?
No, sir, you covered everything.
Okay. Okay, then thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Venkatesh. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks.
So we'll continue next weekend. Any doubts you can message me or Venkatesh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Akshay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.